Good morning. We're going to start our Fundations lesson today. We're actually beginning a brand new unit. We're going to be learning about the digraphs, which the students have actually learned a little bit about already. We're going to start with our daily warm-up, so go ahead and join in with me. A apple, A. B bat, B. C cat, K. D dog, D. E ed, E. F fun, F. G game, G. H hat, H. I itch, I. J jug, J. K kite, K. L lamp, L. M man, M. N nut, N. O octopus, A. P pan, P. Q u queen, Qu. R rat, R. S snakes, T top, T. U up, V van, V. W wind, W. X fox, X. Y yellow, Y. Z zebra, Z. Next, we're going to go ahead and stretch out those vowel sounds today. Here we go. A, apple, A. E, ed, E. I, itch, I. O, octopus, A. U, up, Next, I'm going to introduce to you our digraphs. Now, you've seen these picture cards as we've been using them when we do our Haggerty in the morning, but I'm going to go ahead and talk a little bit about these sounds. The first digraph, when we see a digraph is two letters that produce one sound, two letters that make one sound. When we see WH together, which is usually at the beginning of a word, we would say the sound W. WH whistle W. Go ahead and say that. WH whistle W. The next one that we can see here is TH thumb. Sometimes when we hear a TH sound, as we've talked about in class, and we put our hand over our throat, we can hear a voiced sound where it says TH. So two sounds for TH. TH thumb, the unvoiced sound, and TH, the voiced sound. The next one we can see here is CH chin ch. Say that with me. CH chin ch. And down here we have SH ship sh. Go ahead and say that for me. SH ship sh. And last we have CK sock k. A lot of times we hear the CK sound at the end of a word, like in the word sock or sack. CK sock k. Go ahead and say that. CK sock k. Let's say all of them together one more time. WH whistle w. TH thumb f. CH chin ch. SH ship sh. CK sock k. So those sounds today are going to help us as we make some words. So today, when we're making words, when we tap a digraph just gets a one finger tap, just like we tap other sounds since it only makes one sound. I'm going to make a word here. And go ahead and see if you can tap that word out with me. Shh. Make sure you're using your fingers and you're tapping together. Shh. The word is mash. If we say those sounds separately and blend them together, we get the word mash, like I'm going to mash the potato. Mash. Boys and girls, I'm going to make another word. Let me put this one away. And let's look at this word. As you can see that digraph sound at the beginning. It's CH. CH says ch. So we're going to say ch. P. Tap the sounds with me. Ch, ah, and the word is chop. I'm going to chop the vegetables up for our soup. Chop. Good job. Let's try another one. Our next word looks like this. Go ahead and say the sounds with me. D, a, k. That CK makes that k sound at the end of the word. D, a, k. The word is duck. Now, to make sure that we are seeing those digraphs, we can do something called marking up a word. So if we look at the sounds d, k, when we see that digraph, when we see those two letters, we're going to draw a line underneath them. That makes us know that that CK digraph makes one sound. We just make one sound and we can see that easily when we underline that word. D, k. When we underline that sound, you hear the k sound. Let's try another one. Okay, this time we have another word. You can see that SH digraph. The SH makes the sound shh. Go ahead and say that with me. Tap this word with me. Shh. It. And the word is ship. If I mark up the digraph, what is that digraph? You're right, SH. I'm going to go ahead and mark that digraph up. I'm going to draw a line underneath it so that I remember that is a digraph, SH, and it makes one sound, shh, ip. The word is ship. I saw a ship come sailing in the sea. Boys and girls, I have sent home your student notebook with you in your bag of take-home things. At the very back, you will see a page that has a picture of the digraphs. You may go ahead and color those digraph pictures. WH whistle w, TH thumb CH chin ch, SH ship sh, and CK sock. And each day I'd like you to go through and practice saying those sounds. The more you practice, the easier those are going to be to read when you see them as you're reading books and stories on your own. Something else you can do each day is just go through your student notebook and make sure you're saying all of the sounds for added practice. Remember, the more we practice our sounds, the more we see them, the easier and more automatic our reading will be. Thanks for joining in. I hope you liked this video and keep practicing those sounds. I'm really excited we got to introduce the digraphs today. WH whistle w, TH thumb, CH chin ch, SH ship sh, CK sock. Maybe you can find a digraph in one of your toys today and send me a picture of it using Class Dojo. Thanks. I'll talk to you later.